Hello guys and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to mute some hashtags on the X or Twitter, however you would like to call it. First of all, subscribe to our channel, it means a lot to me and to all of us. And to you, it is nothing. Okay, without further ado, let's start. Let's open X, go to your profile and go to these three dots right here. Not that three dots. When you open the profile, go to settings and support, scroll down, settings and privacy. Privacy and safety, that's the one that you want to click. At the middle of the screen, you can see mute and block options, manage the accounts, words, and notifications that you mute or blocked. Muted words, as you can see, and here you just type whatever you want. Click on this and you can of course choose who do you want to mute it from and for how long, forever, 24 hours, etc. And when you are done with the settings, just click on the save. As you can see, you can mute one word, phrase, username or hashtag at a time. Save. Now I have muted this. If you want to delete it, just click on it and delete word. Unmute. That will be all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, I would really appreciate you giving a like. Until next one, wish you all the best. Bye.